Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Use a 10 mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, plastic trim tool, and a 6 mm hex key for Tacoma grill removal. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety. Start with bright LED work lights so you can see the 6 plastic clips and 8 fasteners holding the grill. Wear nitrile gloves to protect hands from sharp sheet metal edges. Lay a soft blanket on the bumper to prevent scratches, while you rest the removed grill and fasteners nearby in labeled containers. Remove 6 plastic clips by prying center pins, then pull the clips straight out. Unfasten 8 10 mm bolts across the top and bottom using a 10 mm socket and extension. After bolts and clips are out, lift the grill forward to unhook lower tabs and disengage any hidden upper snaps. If your Tacoma has an emblem wiring harness, press the release tab and detach the connector gently. Place the removed grill on a soft surface to avoid scratches and keep bolts organized by their original location for reinstallation. Reconnect the emblem harness and align lower tabs before seating the grill into place. Install 8 10 mm bolts snugly, then reinstall 6 plastic clips by pushing pins until flush so the grill sits secure. After everything is fitted, torque the bolts to about 5 to 8 ft-pounds to avoid over-tightening. Check that gaps are even across the bumper and hood line. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the truck to verify any emblem lights, and do a visual inspection at eye level for symmetry and secure fitment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.